Hi everyone, welcome to onlinellcguide.com. If you are in Alabama or you wish to start an LLC in Alabama, you can have a look on this page. As you go down, you will see the key details right here at a glance. For example, the state filing fee is only $200 and so much more. What you need before filing in Alabama. There's a complete step-by-step guide, which you can have a look at too. The cost breakdown, the formation costs for one-time, annual recurring costs, and also a comparison of the 3-year total cost. To get this done smoothly, our topic personally is Northwest Registered Agent, as they are the best option to form your LLC in Alabama. Their service fee is only $39, and they include the registered agent service free for the first year. This gives you a professional Alabama address, and it keeps your personal information private also. So feel free to scroll down the page, read the full step-by-step guide, all the details. If you are ready to form your LLC right now, you can click this button, the green one, Form Your Alabama LLC with Northwest. It will take you to the page of Northwest. For only $39, you have your formation service, and they will handle all the rest. If you would like to know more about why we consistently choose Northwest, here on the top there's a separate page with a full explanation of why and a video link below the video that you can also check out. So thank you so much for watching. I wish you all the best with your LLC in Alabama. You've got this, and I'll see you in the next guide. Bye!